Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have three different job updates for today. So the first one it is ShareChat, and the second one is Nokia, and the third one is Accenture. So we shall see the job details and the eligibility criteria and the skills required to apply for all of these companies. So the first company, that is ShareChat. So the role they are hiring, it is for SDE 1, that is Software Development Engineer 1, and the experience needed, so it is 1 to 2 years of experience is needed, and the work location for this is Bangalore, and the salary at the CTC, so 14 to 21 lakhs per annum. And then so we shall see the skills which are required to apply for this role. So as discussed, like 1 to 2 years of experience is needed, and eligibility criteria, like any graduates can apply irrespective of any stream, CSE, EC, anybody can apply for this role. And then coming to the skills which are needed to apply, so you need to have strong computer science fundamentals and knowledge of at least one programming language. It can be C or C++ or Java or Python or Go programming language or Scala or Node.js. So you need to have knowledge on any one of these programming language. And then like apart from that, you need to have knowledge on automation testing and knowledge of GCP, that is Google Cloud Platform, and then the tools like Linux or Unix environments. And then you need to have experience with the distributed systems like Apache, Kafka, Spark, and database knowledge like NoSQL database is needed. And like if you have knowledge on AI or ML, so it will be an added advantage for this role. So these are the skills which are required to apply for this. So coming to the application link, so this is the application link for ShareChat. So the first step is you need to upload your updated resume. So do add the skills whatever they have mentioned, and then later you need to add the candidate's personal details, your name, email address, then phone number and the address details. And then if you are an experienced graduate, you can add the employment details like the total years of experience, then the current company and the notice period. And then you can just agree the term and submit the application form. So this is the simple application form for the ShareChat. So this was about the first company, that is ShareChat, and the second company it is Nokia, and the role they are hiring, it is for software engineer, and the salary at the CTC, so 10 to 15 lakhs per annum, and the experience needed, so 1 to 2 years of experience is needed to apply, and the work location for this is Bangalore. So coming to the skills which are needed, you need to be strong in any of the programming languages like object-oriented programming skills and knowledge of SDLC, that is software development lifecycle, and database skills and SQL programming. And like you need to have problem solving skills and efficient communication as well as collaboration skills. So this is the complete tech stack as well as the soft skills which are needed for this. So to apply, first you need to enter your email address. So no need to create any account. You can just add the email address and you'll be getting the verification code which is of 6 digit. So later you can just add the code and you'll be navigated to the application form. So you can easily apply with LinkedIn or you can manually apply. So like the first thing is that, are you okay to keep the data for 2 years? So you need to mention yes or no, like your data will be collected and it will be stored in the company database. So are you okay with that? Like it will be stored for 2 years. So this is the first question you need to answer. And then once you're okay with that, you can add the contact information details, your personal details, then your work experience, and then the address details. And there are few application questions, you can just add those, and later you need to add the work and the education history. So you can just add the highest qualification and some of the disability information questions and the diversity information questions. And later you need to add the skills, so you can just add the skills and the licenses as well as certificates, and the languages you will speak, you can add those. And later you just need to upload the updated resume, and if you have the GitHub URL, And if you have added any of the projects, you can just add those URLs, like you can provide the GitHub URL, LinkedIn URL and all. And if you wish to add any of the attachments like certifications and all, you can just add those and just agree the terms and you can submit the form. So this is the application form for the Nokia. So the third company is Accenture, and the role they're hiring, it is for tester, like quality engineer, and they are looking for the freshers with 0 to 2 years of experience. And the salary of the CTC for this, it is 4.5 to 7 lakhs per annum, and the work location is Bangalore. So coming to the skills, like first thing is they are looking for the functional tester. So you need to have knowledge on various testing tools such as Selenium, APM, and also you need to have good, like you need to have knowledge on any of the one programming languages, and the knowledge of SDLC is needed, and 0 to 2 years of experience in functional test planning. So these are the skills which are required for this. So to apply for the Accenture, you need to first create the separate account. So if you already have the account with the Accenture, you can just log in and you can just start the application and submit all the required details. So if you don't have the account, you can just create the separate account and you can just fill all the required details and submit. So this was all about the third company, that is Accenture. So the link for all of these three companies, so it will be provided in the description. So you can apply for these rules accordingly. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.